State President ke Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya uba Ernest Maury hakajnya kenduk bakilak pathai khubor ni ke sngi ulong baka Trinamool Congress lanik TMC ha West Bengal ke long ke Bamlarkam. Uba Maury ulong baladaka Menteri Rangba ke West Bengal bat ke chairperson ke TMC ke Mamata Banerjee kala shisha ben penbiang ya ke Roy ke par ha West Bengal kata kala ben pen-i ya ke nuksa hala ke jong ke jela. Ulah kerpat ru iki pait ba ke jela bakin ailat ya ke BJP ladaki beri ki kwa ya ke Roy ke par kesuk kesain bat ke kam ke jam ya ki samla. Ubak Maury ulah ong bawat la ke BJP ke don benta bat ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lani MDA hendai kam shim la penyat ya ke sorkar. Ulah pen ken Maury bakarai ban mi na ke sorkar ke syong ha ke nongelam bahalor bat ya ke ni kemat lai kren bun sien bat ki.
Not like it's West Bengal. West Bengal, you go and see what is happening in West Bengal. That decision was taken by a central leader. We have already discussed with them several times. So, the MPP, it is not a partner only in the Meghalaya. They are in the NDA also. So, decision will be taken by the higher up.